What's that?
The vagina?
Cervix. Okay. What's that?
That's the vagina.
The vagina?
Vagina. What's this?
Ovaries?
Name a hormone that acts on this tissue. Estrogen. Good. Name a hormone produced by this tissue.
Estrogen.
What are the function of these?
For these sides.
To take the
It sucks the ovum down into the fallopian tube. What major thing happens in the fallopian tube? Fertilization occurs there. Cervical canal. Cervical canal. Give me a cross section of somebody. Male, female, I don't care which. Journey of the sperm. Do it. Seminiferous tubules. Ouch. It's 7 up, so he comes next. Epididymis. What happens at the epididymis?
They get a tail.
Tails put on.
And now it's sperm.
Mm-hmm.
Vas deferens.
Vas deferens. Ejaculatory duct. Good. Who said that? Who? Who did? Good girl. Nothing, right? Urethra, penis. What accessory structures squirt into this tubing?
Cowper's?
Cowper's gland, yes. What is the function of that bulbourethral gland or Cowper's gland?
Pre-ejaculatory
Fluid.
What's the function of that fluid?
Cleans it.
Neutralizes the acid in the urethra and lubricates. It is like slime. Okay. What'd you say? No, it alone can't get you pregnant, but at any time a penis comes near your vagina, you can get pregnant. Period. But there's no sperm in pre-ejaculatory fluid. But there's always sperm running through the tubes. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So in that fluid itself, it doesn't have it in it, but it's always in the tubing. It just seeps. It seeps. It's like sweat or something. It's not like this nice tight thing. Things seep out. Just assume that it's full of it, covered. So, bulbourethral gland squirts into the urethra. What else? Prostate gland squirts prostatic fluid, which aids in making it called what?
Semen.
And who else contributes to that? So here's our prostate gland. Who else contributes to it? Seminal vesicle, the most important thing here. A seminal vesicle is the food and water for the trip, and it also contains those proteins that help to liquefy it after a few minutes. So that you can swim faster, easier. What kind of tissue is that? Corpus? Nope. Cavernosum? Yep. This one? Corpus spongiosum. How can you tell if it's corpus spongiosum? What's the identifying feature of corpus spongiosum?
It doesn't have.
What's the identifying feature of corpus spongiosum? I told you a billion times last week, but I didn't say it like that, so just think about it. We'll look at it.
It's dark.
No, that's just a model. The urethra.
Oh, it has.
Yeah, the urethra. That tells you I'm in spongiosum. What is this structure here called?
Oh, where everything runs through.
No. Where it runs through this whole thing here. Nope. That's where it goes in.
Oh, the spermatic cord.
Spermatic cord. What makes up the spermatic cord? Artery, nerves, veins. Vas deferens. Lymphatic system. Okay. So it reaches inside the body at the inguinal canal. At this point, what is this that's going to go back behind the bladder?
The vesicle, right?
Now the tube that comes in the body and goes back behind the bladder. It's one of those 5 things that you just said. Which is it? Vas deferens. Vas deferens. So the artery, nerve, and vein are going to do what? Keep going up. Okay, and then just this. What's that tube called? What? Can you not see it? Is that what the problem is? I'm either going to go home or start crying.
I know, it's on the tip of my tongue.
It should be. I just said it a few minutes ago.
Is that copper?
No.
No,
It's where the
prostatic duct.
thing is.
Yes, it's the ejaculatory duct.
What do you have, right?
This one is what?
Urethra.
Prostatic urethra. Because it's the urethra that goes through the prostate gland.
Okay, there's the. This is the prostatic.
Yeah, see how this is the bladder?
Yeah.
Prostatic urethra, and then they call this penile urethra.
And where's the ejaculatory? Is
Is
that
this one.
That the small one?
Yes.
Okay.
And then it's going to meet up with the urethra and
See,
keep
last
going.
week I wasn't even near you because it was so crowded. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the ejaculatory duct. It's going to meet up with the urethra and go out the penis. This is called the prostatic urethra. It's coming from the bladder and going out the penis. This part of the urethra is called
Penile what?
penile urethra. Yeah, just the part of the urethra that goes through the penis. Oh God, we're out of time. All right, so what time is the lab exam? 10.
Well, 11 for Monday.
10, yeah, 10.
Yeah, 10.
11 if you're Monday.